Hey guys, welcome back. And I'm really sorry for the last couple of week couldn't upload any videos. And you can expect the video from today onwards on regular basis. So let's see what exactly happening in the market. If you could see, this was last 15th of June. It's tasted the all-time high, and again it's open up on 28th of June, again in the all-time high, and again 6th of July it's again touched the all-time high, and from there it came down. So even in my last video itself I told you that due to this third wave, this delta variant, it started to affect a couple of countries like Japan, uh, London and all. So that is only the major reason where the market couldn't break the 16,000 level. So that is the main reason. And the top of that, today also the news came uh, in London, in England and Japan. Uh, the government has been announced for the emergency purpose due to the Delta variant. So it started aggressively again. It's exactly like the third wave, which all our Indian government talking about the third wave. So it started somewhat, slightly started in other countries. Today it's almost 35,000 cases, new cases reported in England. So that is the major reason where all whole world market is going down. So if you could see the Nasdaq also, it's down by 200 points. DJ Jones also down by 436 points. So these are the main reason. In fact, SGX Nifty also, it's now it's 7.8 points on minus position. So where we closed 15,727, it's trading 15,700. Okay, so that is the main reason for the market down, and I am expecting market will go in sideways for another 1 month time. If we could see what exactly happened for the last second wave. So it hit the all-time high from here and came down and came back and came down, and it was trading in between 15,300 to 14,200. So it was trading like exactly the sideway for almost 1.5 months. So as soon as the second wave closed, the market shot up. So I am expecting market will get a good support at 15,300 and 300. This is, if it's this also broke, then 15,250 will be the good support for next 1 month. And I don't think so the upside will be very limited, only in case if the market goes upside also. So there is a possibility immediate sell off will come. So trade carefully, and let's see what exactly happened in the 5 minutes chart. Okay, so from the morning itself there is a small even almost yesterday it's closed almost 15,895, and today it's opened itself slightly 5 points down, and from there it came down and hit today's high, which was met around 920, 15,891. From there it's keep on selling, so there is no stopping. So it was keep on selling. So tomorrow also we can expect so little more selling we can expect. And the same way the bank nifty also, it was yesterday it was close to 35,891, and today it's opened same 35,893 and came down, came up, and again sell off. And if you could see from 1 o'clock, so the huge sell off by FII and DIA as well. So let's see what is the FII DIA activities. FII, they were participation was good, almost 5,000 crore they brought, and 5,900 crore they sold. So net value will be 554 54 crore they sold, and the same time DII almost 1,000 crore they sold. So this is also major reason it's like a profit booking. So let's see what we can expect for tomorrow. And there is a news about RBI in terms of bank, like almost 10 to 15 bank RBI has been announced for some penalties like 1 crore, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore and all. So I am expecting this going to affect bank sector. So bank sector also going to be in the negative side tomorrow, I am expecting. So let's talk about the Nifty. So before going for the key level, we'll to start the open interest. Nifty open interest would be wow 15,800 going to be has a lot of call options. Even 16,500 also has very less only when comparing with 15,800. So 15,800 going to be the huge resistance. And the same way downside put option has been written not on that much aggressive as like call options. See, all are below even half of the call option size only. See, the immediate resistance going to be 15,500. So after that it's 15,000. So it's also clearly says market going to be downside only. So let us have a look. So these are the points which I'll be trading. Like if it's break 15,755 as a market feel, it's look like negative. So if it's 15,755 it is sustain over above, then I'll go for a call option. I'll keep my first target 15,799 and 15,825. At the same time, if the market break this level 15,694, so I'll go for a put option. I'll keep my first target 15,661, 15,609. So this is going to be the my key levels, and in between I'm not going to take any calls. So I will be simply watching the market only. And the same time, before, let us see the Bank Nifty. Same exactly, but not that much negative. Like major put or call option has been written in 36,000. So there is a possibility market may go till 35,000, and immediate resistance going to be 35,500. So as of now, and current price spot price is 35,274. So if it's break 35,500 and sustain, so next resistance going to be 36,000 and immediate support going to be 35,000. Let's see the key levels also. Okay, so if the market break this 35,445, so I'm going to take the call option and I'll keep my first target 35,605 and 35,787 and 35,917. At the same time, if the market break this 35,267, and I'll go for a put option and I'll keep my first target 35,092, 34,965 and 34,806. So these are the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. And this Bandhan Bank, in my last video I used to keep on saying for the for the swing trade. So I was from here in these lines 279, in between 279 to 301. So you can accumulate as much as you want, and the same way it has given a nice rally, like it's like it's reached almost a target 354, and from there it came down. So in this 21st of June, it was there is a news about the Bandhan Bank that it's Assam government, uh, they had given some good news about Bandhan Bank. So it was shot up almost 7.7 percentage. So that is only the bank sector which performed on 21 June. So it, as usual, it hit the target, and who had done the swing trade. Even I have done the swing trade, I almost book 30 percentage of profit, and it's coming down again. So it's almost hit the immediate support going to be 311, and if it's break, then we can expect 301, and last support going to be 279. So we can wait for the couple of weeks where in case if it's come close to 279, so we can buy another swing trade. And another one, Vibro. So I used to keep on saying the Vibro. So Vibro also is having a huge support level. It's standing in the huge support level. It's 527. So you can start to accumulate. Even the main reason for the IT stocks falls. Even main reason is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is basically full of IT stocks. So it's working based on the world market. So according to that only, it's also getting close, coming down. And another one, TCS. And TCS, I was about to take a position today, so I really don't want to take any position. So before going for TCS, let us have a look at the open interest. So open interest immediate support going to be, resistance going to be 33,000, and second support going to be 34,000. So there is a possibility touch sorry market may touch 3,300, and if it's sustained above 3,300, there is a possibility to touch 3,400 also. So the same way, if you could see, so this is 3,200, 217 going to be the huge support. So in case there is a possibility, it can bounce back from here to all-time high 3,400. And as today's TCS result as well, and quarter on quarter they were almost minus 7 percentage negative. So I don't think so it will go up, so it's better to leave the stocks. And the same time, another one, Infosys also, it's expecting to get a support in 1115. So I'll be waiting till 1115, and next Tuesday is it going to they are going to release the result. So let's see what exactly the results, so according to that we can plan. And another one, the Tata Motors. So to Tata Motors, we can go for a long-term investment. So long-term investment, it's the immediate strong support going to be 280 rupees. So there is a possibility Tata Motors may reach to 280, up to 280. So there is a possibilities. So you can start to buy small quantities for a long term. So as soon as so whenever it goes down, you can add couple of another lots also. And another one I used to keep on say my friends, like we can go for a Ratan India share. Like I brought the share around 21 rupees, so it's almost hit 54 rupees, and it's coming back actually. So it has a good potential. The main reason, like they are the manufacturer of electric vehicle spare parts. So if you're it's trading around 43.95 paise, so it's a better time. You can get couple of you can add small quantities, and I'm still holding in a good profit only. So I really don't want to you know close the position. So I'm waiting for, so whenever it goes down, so I'll get the opportunity, so I'll collect as much as possible. So that is for today. So the another one was Ratan Tata. So Ratan Tata also, sorry, Dr. Reddy. So Dr. Reddy also. Okay, so it's on in the reversal mode. So let's see. I'm expecting it's may get reversal as soon as it's touch 5,386. So we'll wait and see what exactly happening. And another one is IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank. So I'm expecting it will go down, I guess. So maybe tomorrow I'm planning to buy a put option, like maybe I'll get a put option on 1,000 put option I may go for. So according to the market tomorrow, what exactly happening. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching, and if I made any mistake, please leave your feedback in the comments, so I'll correct myself. And thank you for all your support. If my video is useful to you, so you can share it with your friends, and you can ask your friends also subscribe my channel. That's it. Bye. See you tomorrow.